Have you tried this eggplant recipe? Watch this video. Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we're going to be learning together how to make this eggplant goodness, okay? This is one healthy meal you need to try, okay? Believe me, you're going to love it. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this video. So first, you want to cut the meat you want to use into a smaller chunks. Season it and cook to tender. We are using chicken breast for this recipe. So next, we need potato for this recipe. I'm using Irish potato. Make sure you cook to tender. So the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and mash the potato. You want to take your time to mash the potato. So after that, I'll go ahead and mash the chicken breast we prepared earlier. Again, I want to take my time to mash this. If you are new here, you are highly welcome, and please feel free to share my videos, okay? Thank you so much. So the next thing we are going to do is to fry the bell peppers. So this is bell peppers with onions. I want to fry this for a bit and then I'll add the mashed chicken I prepared earlier. And I'm going to stir this. You want to make sure you combine really well. So I will take my time to combine this and I'll put this aside. So the next thing we are going to do is to prepare our eggplant. And you want to make sure you slice this just like this, very flat. And I also went ahead of camera to steam this so that it will be easy to work with. You can see how I'm slicing this, very flat and thin. Next, you want to add any oil of your choice into a pan and allow to heat up a bit. We are using butter for this. So before I go ahead, I'll allow this to melt, and this is to help our food not to stick in the pan when we are done. So next, I will transfer the mashed potato into the pan. Again, I'll go ahead and press this into the pan with the help of spatula. Just like this. So next, I'm going to be adding the chicken mix into the eggplant, just like you're seeing here, and I will take my time to wrap it, and I will carefully place them in the pot just like this. If you have watched till this time, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. All you need to do is to share and like my videos. Leave your comment in the comment section and let me know where you're watching from so that I can send you a hug. Our hugs today goes to Lynette Simbanda from Zimbabwe. Thank you so much for watching our videos. You are highly appreciated. So I'm going to continue placing this just like this until I'm done. In a separate pot, I've already prepared the sauce, just some fresh tomatoes, a little bit of bell peppers and some seasonings. I'm going to be adding the sauce gently on top of this wrapped chicken, just like so. Again, I have already sliced some ripe plantains and I'm going to carefully placing them on top of the sauce just like this, and I will cover this with the rest of the sauce. Finally, I will go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese. And I will bake for about 15 to 25 minutes. This is the end part of this video, and we really enjoyed this, and it came out so yummy and absolutely fantastic. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Please remember to share. Bye lovelies. Bye.